I just spotted something freaking crazy. Check this out. Oh, oh my goodness. What's up guys? Welcome back to another awesome video. Today I'm at a brand new crystal mine right here in Mount Ida. It is called the High Shoals Crystal Mine. As you can see behind me, there's some beautiful views, a few smaller pits and lots of surface collecting. You just saw me find that incredible double terminated, so I'm so excited to see what else we can find. Let's do this. Okay, so you can see all of these piles right here. Lots of quartz. Check that out. Wow, that is a beautiful crystal right there. And look at that little point on it.
She found a hunk of one.
Oh yeah,
not real big, but it's a nice one.
That's beautiful. Wow, good shape, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Another nice crystal. And check that out. That looks pretty promising. Alright. So I am at the mine now, and I'm just walking around doing the surface collecting right now, and I just seen a nice one right here on the ground. And then I'm looking over here. Check that out. That is some beautiful sticking out of the ground there. Wow. Oh my goodness, check that out.
Thank goodness I was the only one there.
And one more right there. Can't miss that one. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get this drone into the sky and see how this mine looks from above. Okay, so I'm trying to get the reflection on that crystal, because that is exactly what you're going to be looking for. See that sunlight reflecting on there? And look at that, it's actually a twin crystal. Really nice clarity. Okay guys, so I'm walking along the edge of these piles right here. And I just spotted something freaking crazy. Check this out. It looks like a double terminated. Super clear. Oh, oh my goodness. Just right there on the surface. Alright, so there's lots and lots of these big chunky quartz. And then check out this piece of black glass right there. Black crystal. It's actually gonna be clear. There we go. Alright. Finding some beautiful stuff just right on the surface. Seems to be a pretty good area because check out this beautiful crystal. And then just a few feet from it, this crazy shard. That is cool. Alright, so I'm here with Tommy, the owner of the High Shoals crystal mine. And he's just showing me this really cool crystal that has chlorite in it.
On the side over here.
The green reflection in there?
Yep.
That is awesome. So this is kind of like the tip of one, huh? Wow. Was a big crystal at some point. So you just saw that beautiful chlorite piece that Tommy just found, and I think I found one kind of like it. Check it out. Look at that. It's a clear quartz that's covered in some sort of sediment or chlorite. As you can see, there's a clear center in there. Let's go ahead and rinse this off and see how it will look like. Whoa, that is cool, y'all. Look at that deposit. That is awesome. Here's something that you don't really see very often. It is a cross crystal. So these things tend to be fairly rare, especially when you get a nice crossing like that. That's a beautiful little specialty point right there. Alright, so I'm still doing some surface collecting, and check out this huge point that's just hanging out right on the top of the ground. That's a beauty right there. This is pretty exciting. I'm seeing another one of those chlorite crystals right here. Check that out. Some crazy etching along the tips there. And then you have that cool inclusion. Alright, so check this one out. It actually is a clear quartz with some chlorite inclusion. Alright, there it is rinsed off. And as you can see, the inclusions are within that crystal. And that's quite beautiful right there. And check out that rainbow. Alright guys, lots and lots of material to go through. And I just spotted something really unique. Something you don't see too much. Check this out. It's a piece of quartz, and that is a shale etching that has created those weird lines in the quartz. Almost looks like man-made or something, but that is natural. This point just caught my eye. I'm thinking it may be connected to this cluster. Check that out. Look at all those points. Alright guys, check out this road. There's quartz everywhere, and look at this beauty that was just found right on the road. Look at that clarity. And then check that out. Just right in the road. A beautiful double terminated crystal. Alright guys, it is almost time to call it a day out here at the mine site. I have done pretty well today just surface collecting, and I thought before I leave I would try to actually find a little pocket and dig some crystals straight out of the earth. The clay is looking really good here, really nice dark orange color. So I'm gonna keep on going. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I earned your subscription today. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Aloha. Guys, check out this beautiful chlorite-included crystal that Paula just found. Congratulations!
Thank you so much. You guys come on out.
That's a beauty.
Thank you. And it was on the surface.
Okay, so here's most of the good stuff after a quick rinse. As you can tell, some really pretty crystals. Beautiful DT shard. Some cute little clusters. Check out this awesome termination on this crystal. That's what's called a cathedral growth. Super sweet find. That's what I would call a Lemurian growth habit. So you can see it's got some awesome striations. Got a bunch of nice small clear ones. Check out this beautiful cluster right here. Pretty neat. Amazing crystal right there. Super gemmy. Now that's a beauty. Alright, so here's everything that I found all rinsed off. As you can see, there's a bunch of nice clear ones, a few chlorite included, some oddities, a few smaller clusters, and some milky ones. So overall, a pretty decent day, and I'll see you next time.